Okay, so this is a 2009 Triumph Street Triple with the standard exhaust. We just recently got our Two Brothers shortened exhaust. That was provided by JC Motors, the owner of which contacted Two Brothers and requested a shortened exhaust. And they've agreed to do a 10-inch instead of a 14-inch exhaust. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is the exhaust node of the stock exhaust. Let's go and give it a rev or two so you can have a baseline comparison. And we'll see that how that compares to the others. So when I bought my bike about 2.5 weeks ago, it came equipped with the TOR exhaust. And just as a comparison, I've gone ahead and put those back on. By the way, the exhaust is extremely simple to change. Just a hex key, 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter socket. As you can see, they look exactly the same. Let's go ahead and lift the throttle. As you can tell, they have a louder and deeper exhaust note. So if you like the stock look but still want to get a more appealing exhaust note, as well as some slight performance gains, and this may be the exhaust for you. Okay, when you purchase a Two Brothers exhaust system, this is what comes out of the box. As you can see, this is the custom modified exhaust. This is 4 inches shorter than stock, which hopefully will eliminate the look of it sticking out too much that you see on most of the Two Brothers systems for the Street Triple R. Okay, so this is a Two Brothers exhaust installed. I'm going to do a walk around first because I found out the reason that they don't typically make shorty exhaust. They turn out to be really loud, so I won't be able to hear anything once I do turn them on. But they do look really, really good, and I think you'll agree as well that they definitely seem to fit the bike a little better than the standard ones do that stick out. You know, this is a 4-inch shorter pipe, sticks out about well, the standard ones stick out about 2 inches too far in my opinion. So yeah, these look really great, and we'll come back with the sound clip.